Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Martin Tellez, and I am going to attempt to do my mission activity. And I am on the Space Weather Live website, and I have decided to show you guys sunspots. So, sunspots are these darker patches that are on the sun, and they are supposedly cooler than the rest of parts of the sun. And I guess most solar sunspots are the size of the Earth. Some can be, of course, way bigger, but most of them are about the size of the Earth. This website measures them for throughout the day, and you get new pictures every hour. So it will tell you the amount of sunspots at any given time, which here there's seven, which is up four from the last hour. The size of them, their magnetism class, which it goes through all the different classifications of magnetism, which most of them are going to be beta and are pretty much the average ones. The biggest ones are going to be the delta. Also, it tells you the location of where the sunspot is. So that is my presentation on the sunspot regions, and thank you for watching.